guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. In today's video, we'll be making some mango ice cream. It's very easy to make, you guys, and all you need is 4 ingredients. So we're gonna get started with those ingredients and you'll see how easy it is to make this yummy mango ice cream. So we'll be using 4 ripe mangoes, a pinch of salt, condensed milk, and heavy whipping cream, and that's all you need. First step, of course, let's cut our mangoes. Let's continue cutting. Okay, so once you have your mango, just be careful because since they're very ripe, they're a little slippery, okay? So be careful when you're cutting them and peeling them and everything. We're gonna go ahead and make this into a puree. Now we're gonna add the condensed milk. If you don't have this little mixture, you can also use the blender. Add a pinch of salt. Let's mix again. Once it's well mixed, we're gonna set aside. Now the heavy whipping cream, it's about 300 milligrams, which is like 10 ounces. We're gonna go ahead and whip this up. So once you get this consistency, we're gonna start adding our mango mixture and mix. And that's how it should look like, and you could try it. It's so good. Trust me, you're not gonna need no more sugar, no nothing. This is perfect. Okay, you guys, this wasn't part of the deal, but when I tried it and this was so good, I just imagined eating it with chunks of mango. So I started cutting another mango, and I'm gonna make little cubes, okay? And we're gonna throw it in there. Look, oh my God, that's gonna be so delicious. So I'm adding a whole mango in cubes. Mix. Now it's ready to add into a Tupperware. And we're gonna take this to the freezer, you guys. At least like 4 to 6 hours. You could check it in 4 hours and then 6, but for best results, overnight. But didn't get mixed. That's it. We're gonna close the lid really well. And you add some coconut, that will be good too. You know, like pineapple. What is that ice cream called? Pineapple coconut. This will be a mango coconut, but I don't have coconut. So this is gonna go into the freezer. Okay, so after the 24 hours, I started scooping it out. And look how delicious, you guys. But remember, after 4 hours, you can check it and it should be ready to go. So there we have it, you guys. Make sure you take it out like 15 minutes before you scoop it out. If you do leave it overnight, if you leave it for the 4 hours, it should be perfect, you guys. So let's taste test this ice cream of mango. So delicious, you guys. And it has the pieces of chunks of the mango that we put in it. Well, this is super, super delicious, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And if you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and turn on the little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.